Hello everyone, this is Sharif and welcome to the new video tutorial of Flutter series. Earlier video we saw that how we can pass the data which is time in one activity to the another activity. In this video tutorial we are going to put in a center add some buttons, icons, and when we click we will redirect you to the another activity, and there we have a list. So let's start the video and see how the code we can write. So let's take this video further and design some layout for the activity called as home, where we have to declare the time. So firstly, go to the app bar. Background was provided here. This is not our code. This is our code. So firstly, declare a background. Colors will be a blue. I shading will be 200. Depend what you want. You can provide it here. App bar is here. Title, we should move a title. Colors, not blue, and here we can provide a shade of 900, means the dark color. 900 means dark blue color. Okay, so we have done. Now we have two things. First, we have to move the entire thing into one position. This is I'm not running the application. If I run, I'm just trying to explain that if this is your screen, so we want to put everything in a center. We want to put everything here, center. So wrap this column into a center widget. Center, and provide it to main axis alignment center. Center, cross axis alignment center. Center. And here that we have done something for us. We have to do one more thing here, which is we have to add a flat icon where we can show the text and display this something in it. So write it here, a flat icon. As you know, column is able to contain the list of widgets, so that's why we can do it here. Flat button icon. So here the three things we have to pass: icon, labels, and on pressed. So let's pass the icon first. Icon will be the icons and dot edit location. Label should be a text, then we have to use the text widget, pass the text and the edit location. And here we have to do something on a click. We will explain it later what we are going to do it here. Let's run the code and see what it result begin for us. And here is the output of our screen with the flat button icons. Here the icons of edit location, and the text comes as a label here, edit location. When we click on it, we have to do something. We have to open a routes. So let's see how can we do it. Go to the home page under the on click listener, which is here on press. So what we have to do, like navigator. Dot push And here we have to provide the route name, which is come from here. And that's we have done. Click on it. Let's run it again and see what it result, how it's come. Let's do one thing. We have designed something in a country list. So what we are going to do? We are going to add a list here. Scaffold, sorry. Let's copy the app bar from the home. Now we have to add a body, and body will create a list view. So how we can do that? We can just we just try going to take a look. Columns. Like what column contain? Column contain the list of widgets. So we have to pass the list of widgets here. List view. So we have to list with dot builder, and here we have to do we have several property that make it perfect. Like we have here we have a context here, and we have an index here. We also define here the list of items. So here is the item list. Sorry, this will come under the text list view. Item count is equal to 20. I'm just providing it for randomly, and here we can return a card view. Return card, and colors. I'm just providing colors for demo to take that make you understand that how we can work on it, and that's it. This will not work because we don't specify the height and width. We have to do something like that. So I'm just copying and paste it here, the code that are already made. Here's something we need to change, like we have a text, random text, we have to provide it like it will be the index that will be good. So index dot string. Here also we have to do something like that. And click on run and see what it brings as a result. And once I click it, here you can see the list already. Now what we have to do, we have to call a server and fetch all the location display in our list. When we click on list, it will redirect you to here and this for the data. So we will see this in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me, and if you like the video, do not forget to share the video, comment on it, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.